If you've ever wanted to connect data more smoothly in Zendesk, lookup fields are the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set one up from scratch. Start by heading over to the Zendesk homepage and sign in with your email and password. Once you're inside your environment, look to the lower left corner and click the settings icon. From there, choose Go to Admin Center. This is where the real customization happens. Inside the Admin Center, open Objects and Rules, then click on Fields. Here's the important part. Select Lookup Relationship. This is what lets you link different data sets together for better referencing and automation. Now give your lookup field a clear, descriptive name, something your whole team can recognize at a glance. You can also add a short description to explain its purpose. When everything looks good, hit Save. And that's it. You've just created a lookup field in Zendesk. Simple, powerful, and a great way to keep your data connected. If this helped, make sure to check out my other Zendesk tutorials to keep leveling up your workflow. Thanks for watching.